Class 10 students, your exams are going to start on 17th of February and today it is 12th of February. I know that you guys are anxious, some of you are afraid, some of you are excited. But let me tell you, you just need 5 days exam winning strategy. Yes, my dear class 10 students, welcome on the platform Diksha Vedantu and this is your faculty Tanvi Pauja. You know one thing, that maths is your first exam and you know everyone knows it. Everyone has mugged up that timetable. It's sticked in the mind, right? Even in the dreams also that timetable is flashing. I know that. So you just need one thing. Basically, your maths exam will decide your confidence for the rest of the exam. It happens whenever your first exam went well, you will gain more confidence to perform more better in the next exams. And by today's video, I am going to share you the last week strategy, or what we can call last 5 day strategy that you should follow. So what we are going to talk about is exact 5-day plan, that this should be the plan, this to be done, this not to be done. Particularly we will focus on not to be done more. Okay? Daily structure schedule, maths last minute hacks that are quite important, what not to do and how to stay calm. At last I'll tell you how to stay calm in the exam, and that's very important. And you might be thinking, ma'am, SST teacher going to share me math strategy. Do you know guys that I was a math student? But yes, I cannot give you the strategy better than Sonu sir, but what I have done even better for you, I communicated with so many maths teacher today when I was making this plan for you and presented a super duper exam winning plan. What I call is exam winning plan. So let's start with the first thing. Students, what I have seen now, there is a pattern. Like when I talk to several teachers, what I have seen, that there is a pattern which we are analyzing in the students in the last time they make this big mistake. The big mistake is they are thinking, now my syllabus is over. I have completed my NCERT. I have done these questions multiple times as you guys are practicing throughout the year. Right? Now you at the last moment make this mistake sometimes, that if you are done with all the thing, you choose to take new questions from the new books to test yourself whether I will be able to write the answers in exams or not. And this is the biggest mistake right now. It is not the time to study some new chapters or new topics which you left, were not able to cover up, or the new books which you didn't cover up in the entire year. This is the mistake. Don't do that, students. I mean it when I say that. Okay? And I know my students will not make it after listening to this video. Okay? This is the time rather to polish yourself in whatever you have studied already. How to polish yourself, revise it as much as possible. Make revision frequently. Make charts, revise them. Okay, practice the question from them and fix your silly mistake, because when daily, like we have 5 days. And what we can do a mock test every day. Okay, in that mock test, analyze what are the mistakes you are doing. And the mistakes may not be only that you are doing the entire sum wrong in maths. Rather, it may be like you are not underlining, you are not making boxes in the answers, you are not writing like the presentation should be. Okay, so you need to analyze the silliest mistake what you guys are doing, because you know that everyone gets 90 plus, 80 plus, but there are some students who get 99, 100 marks. Why? Because of those silly mistakes we are making in exams. Okay, so let's fix this. Strengthen formulas. It should be by-hearted. It should be by-hearted. Yes, I mean that. Because this is not the time that you are looking for formulas in the book and then solving the answers. It should be by-hearted. It should be by-hearted today. And you are going to do it today itself. Okay? No chance to miss any mark in exam. Practice exam pattern questions. Questions need to be practiced. Do not think that just changing the pages because it is last time I can't solve, I can't write, it will take my time. Many students think that if I will be writing, I will be solving each question, it will take my time. What I can do, I can see maths. You can never do maths by just seeing. Whatever days it is, be it the last moment, only and only way to do maths is solve. Solve it. Okay? One thing that you need to focus is, beta, my dear students, boards are about execution under pressure. Like you were studying throughout the year, You executed all the plans throughout the year. You are a student who were following all the syllabus, all the agendas we shared. Everything you did, but this time is different. And a student who knows how to execute under the pressure, not being pressurized, is the one who will become the topper, and you are one of them. I know, I trust all the students of Diksha Vedantu that you are one of them. Execution under the pressure, if you got this, then the problem is solved. Not for class 10th, for the entire life, students. Okay, let us take a step of the life first with the class 10th board exams. I'll not make you more nervous. Let's see the 5-day master plan which I made after talking to so many teachers. Day 1, 12th of February. You have to do a complete scan of all the chapters, okay? In this scanning of the chapters, what I am suggesting you is every chapter in maths have a theory before the chapter solution, okay? Go through that story, scan it, scan the formulas, whatever they are written, scan what type of questions come, okay? Scan it, take it lightly, do not take it so harsh on you, okay? Then day 2, that is weak chapter attack. This should be focused. My dear student, take your day 2, complete your weak chapters, analyze how you can improve that chapters, okay? Do all the weak chapters. Day 3, full mock test day. Okay, give yourself multiple sample papers. Give yourself sample papers available on different platforms. Even Vedantu, Diksha Vedantu is also providing you the same Ekta ma'am's video. You can go and watch. There are 5 full-length tests given to you for maths made by Sonu sir. You can solve it. Next is day 4, marks maximization day, and this is quite important. What do you have to do? This day 4th is very important because this can change your game. Why? How? What you have to do is, my dear students, again analyze the mistakes that you are repeating. Analyze it, whatever I am repeating. And one more plus point is that on this day, you need to do again the chapters you are confident on. Why? To make it more confident. Okay, that is the reason day 5 will be a confidence day. On day 4 and 5 combined, there are 14 chapters in your maths. Do 7 in a day, the rest 7 in a day, and everything is done and dusted. I would suggest one thing to, I have seen students going to the exam hall and taking books and revising. Don't do that. This is the worst habit a student have. Okay? What you have not done in the entire year, how you can do in the last moment? Can you think that? Rather than that, at that time, because in the starting only I said that I'll tell you how to be calm, and entire video I'm telling you that. Rather than that, before, like, even I have a habit that if I have an exam on 9 a.m. to 12 a.m., that day particularly, I only revise in the time of 5 to 6. 5 to 6, that's it. Not in the vans, not in the buses you are going, not in the cars with your parents, no revision. Take a deep breath, have a healthy talk with your parents, boost your confidence, that's it. If you do some puja, religious thing, do it. Read the mantras in your mind. That is more important, because you know, topper is not someone who is judged by its knowledge. A topper is someone who balances everything. What? Anxiety. The most important thing is anxiety. If you balanced it, you are going to rock it. Second thing is presentation. The most important thing in the exam is presentation. Okay, we have made multiple videos for you, how to improve your presentation, how to write answer. Watch it. Do not leave them for last moment. You will not be able to handle all these things. Okay, now last specific 5 days hack that Sonu sir told me. First is formula, that is equals to free marks. If question comes in your exams, you don't know the question, always start your answer solution with a what? With a formula. Why? Do you know the marking scheme? Marking scheme is followed in such a way that they are giving you marks for writing the formula also. Don't skip it. Never lose a question. Never leave a question in exam. That is the best hack. Okay, students, do this. I don't know this answer. I'm not writing it entirely. No. Whatever you know. If you know the formula, write it. Okay. Surface area, volume, whatever the stuffs are there in maths, write the formula if the question is related to that. Get it? Next is method matters more than answer. Your answer can be wrong. But if you have written the formula, the steps, the method, and if it is correct, you are will be able to get the marks. Yes. You are eligible to get at least 2 marks if it is for 5 marks. Why to leave that 2 marks? So marks are important, method is most. Don't try new books. This is what I started the video with. Fix 4 mistakes. Students, this you are making. This mistake you are making still after so many preparation. Sign errors, plus minus. If you are taking a minus, going there, also writing minus. No, we can't make sign errors at the last because this is what the answer change and everything is spoiled. Sign errors, focus on it. Writing wrong identity, can't take a risk. Okay, graph scale mistakes, take a sharp pencil, do not be in hurry, do not be in rush, do not forget to write the coordinates, do not forget to write x-axis, y-axis, etc. because of which half marks can be deducted. Don't do this. Practice it as much as possible. And carefully in maths, because in SST and science we say multiple times, leave reading the case-based study, go to the questions directly. In maths you can't do that. Study it carefully, read it carefully, and then answer them. Okay, so this is the 5 hack that you should follow, and I believe, my dear students, I trust on you, I believe you, that don't focus on becoming a topper. Yes, I say that. In this last 5 days, do not think, okay, 600 out of 540 will lead to 90%, this much will lead to 95%, I should score this, maths paper went bad, after this what will I do, I have to score this much in science to balance. No. Do not think to become a topper, just in 5 days be disciplined student. Be a what? Disciplined student, and promise me what I shared you are going to execute. Tell me right now in the comment section, yes ma'am, I'll execute it. Because I have a trust on you like you trusted me the entire year. I know that you will be coming back on the platform. Hit the subscribe button and the like button if you get motivated, if this video was helpful for you. Meet you soon in the next video. Bye bye.